Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to turn on videos reposted from your friends. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner, click on settings and privacy here, move to the notifications here, scroll this bar and you can see here videos from people and videos reposted from your friends. You will get the videos that your friends will reposted on your TikTok account by turning it on. This color will appear here. It means this option will be turned off. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.